The turmeric you're consuming is useless unless you take it in one of these three ways. Turmeric is the healthiest herb on the planet, but how much and how to consume it for the best effect? Turmeric became number 1, the healthiest herb in the world. It provides a very wide range of health benefits that is simply unbelievable. Turmeric contains curcumin, identified as the main active ingredient, which reaches more than 150 potentially therapeutic activities and includes antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. There is no other natural ingredient in the world that is more effective in reducing inflammation of the body than turmeric. But, you need to make sure that your body correctly uses powerful turmeric. For this purpose, you must learn how to consume it. First, get a small package of organic turmeric powder. It resembles ginger and similarly prepares. First way, turmeric is soluble in oil, which means that you need to combine it with some oil to optimally absorb nutrients. Preparation is usually with organic virgin coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil. The daily recommended amount of turmeric is 3 grams to 10 grams, and in time you can slightly increase the amount. So, about 1 teaspoon turmeric is the recommended daily dose for adults. For maximum effect, you should take it daily or at least 3 times a week. Elderly people and children under 6 years of age should reduce the dose in half teaspoon, once a week for the first time, and then increase the amount to a dose that fits the individual. If turmeric causes digestive disorders or adverse reactions, consult a doctor. Second way, combine turmeric with black pepper to increase its performance. When this is taken together, the pepper increases the bioavailability of turmeric by 2000%. Never take it on an empty stomach. If you are fighting with gallstones, consult your doctor before adding turmeric to your diet. Turmeric increases the production of bile acid and may worsen your condition. Do not combine with anti-blood coagulation medicines such as aspirin, ibuprofen, or warfarin, because turmeric also dilutes the blood. Third way, turmeric tea recipe. 1 cup warm, not boiling, water. 1/4 of a teaspoon turmeric. Juice of half a lemon. Stick of cinnamon, arbitrarily. 1/8 teaspoon honey. Teaspoon coconut oil. Preparation: after warming the water, add turmeric, lemon juice, and honey, teaspoon coconut oil and mix well. The turmeric will stick to the bottom of the cup, so continue with the mixing of the water while you drink, so that you can fully take advantage of the turmeric. Be sure to drink hot tea,